ride with Minaj. Mashallah, check in with me. Pin to your job. Queen is the name. Raphaello did the chain. This is Monse. Patty plain Jane. Ride with me.
I heard you got a new girlfriend, and it's hurting. Yeah, it's hurting. Yeah, it's hurting. Me.
Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. And as you can see, somebody snatched my wig off. It's blue. So this blue, I could describe this blue as like, let's see, a midnight blue, guys. So let's just pop this bad boy on. Look at this. Look at this. I look like the Grudge with a bob. Like, no. There's some hair behind the ears, okay? Let's try to do that. Okay, guys, we're gonna customize this wig because y'all know how I feel about long looking bobs. What I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna take this section. So like that, guys. Can see this side looks so much better than this long side. Cut more on this side. Okay guys, don't be mad at me, but I went and put some concealer and powder off camera, and let me tell you why I did it off camera, because honey boo boo child, I was just struggling, still looking a little bit wiggish and all that. We're gonna pop some baby hair. I'm gonna just take some hairs from right here, and then I'm gonna pin this back. So now bring all the hair together. Just start gelling these baby hairs down. Okay guys, now we're about to take our scarf and lay these baby hairs down. Make sure we get this wig extra flat. Okay guys, so the hair is laid and we are back. So let's talk about this hair. This is a Bobbi Boss wig. This is my first time reviewing a Bobbi Boss wig. I never owned a Bobbi Boss wig, so this is first impressions also. Style MBLF90 Juba, G-U-B-A. And I got it in the color INVBLUE. You can see from earlier in the video. I mean, if you guys like the long bob look, but I feel if the hair is going to be that long, it shouldn't be cut as a bob. It should just be regular. It should just be cut regular. This is a lace front wig. It's not a frontal wig, guys, so you can't pluck the hairline. So in between the front, there's tracks. So in between the front, there's track. Only lace you get is the middle part. Okay guys, so this is a human hair blended wig. What they mean by human hair blended, so basically straighten this hair, curl it up to a certain degree, so it does take heat. I did not put any heat on this hair because honestly it do not need it. I feel if I bump this hair, it would just look so unnatural and so grainy looking, and honey, we do not want that. I'm just giving out all the cons first, guys. So it comes with a lot of hair in the front. The cut of this wig is just too long and too unnatural looking. However, this color is so pretty. It is so natural. This color. Look at that. See, the baby hair is blue too. Okay. As far as a hair texture, a light yaki hair texture. This hair is so thick and I love that it's so thick. It looks like African American hair. Like this, now that I customized the hair, it looks like I just got a wash and set. As far as the fitting for this wig, guys, this wig is big head friendly. It has a nice comfortable fit. This wig has no comb. It has no combs, like none. So I was like, it just has adjustable straps. Okay, this wig also has great parting space. I'm guessing the parting space is about 4 inches. The thing about this wig, the parting didn't come really tight and skinny. It didn't come really tight and skinny like other wigs. What I did, I put concealer from the inside of the wig and I put a concealer from the outside, and then you know how parts be looking kind of yellowish and orangey, and you know, some of y'all guys might have that problem. Yeah, to get rid of that orangey part, it like you can tell a part has concealer in it. To get rid of that, just put some powder. Put a powder that's kind of a pale color. And the powder I use is the NYX powder. So make sure you use concealer and top it off with a powder, girl. So, a thing with synthetic units, let me tell you guys, a lot of synthetic units, once you get out the packaging, there are a lot of flyaways, there are a lot of unwanted hairs just sticking out. And I know y'all get that. I know y'all get that when y'all get synthetic wigs sometimes. However, this wig do not have that at all, honey. It do not have that. Like, I opened this wig and this wig was popping. It was late. I was like, okay, this wig has no flyaways.
Thank God.
It don't have any flyaways, okay? But this wig
is sure popping.
As far as shedding, this wig literally don't shed at all. Listen, I'm not even fronting. This wig do not shed, girl. I didn't get any strands of hair on my brush or anything. This hair do not shed. Tangling, no tangling whatsoever. So this hair ain't stiff. I always do the shape test. Look at girl flow of this hair, guys. Check out Sam's Beauty. Get this unit, girl. We about to look like a blueberry blossom pop. We about to look good. Let's slay in this wig, okay? Hey, it ain't no rules, okay, when it comes to slayage. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you click that bell notification right next to the subscribe button so you can get notifications every time I post. So thank you very so much for watching. I love you guys and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.